So the entry-level RTX card has finally hit the market. Now this particular card is the brand new RTX 2060 Founders Edition, coming to market at $349. So let's real quick though, let's take a quick look of the card and all the stuff that comes inside the box. Not really a lot I don't think is going to come inside the box at all, considering that's a review sample from NVIDIA. Probably when you buy something from the retailers, they'll probably include more stuff. But let's open up the box and let's check out the card, because it does look pretty neat. So let's go ahead and just take the cap off, set it over here. We're going to take a nice close look at the card. You guys can see it has a really nice design, 2 fans in the front. The card is actually 9 inches long by 4 inches high. Obviously it's a 2-slot design card. Very nice card, very powerful card. I love the fact that it has a great backplate on the back of it. This is completely wonderful as far as I'm concerned. All in all, this card looks very nice. Single 8-pin power connector on the back of it. It's recommended that you have at least 160 watt power supply to power this bad boy. We're going to do a whole full review on that, so we'll talk about more of that stuff later. Right now we're just showing you guys a quick unboxing. Here you guys can see where all the connectors go on the card. Pretty simple stuff, the same as all the other cards we've seen in the RTX series. All in all, just a pretty cool looking card. Now, as far as the box goes, contents, not really much at all. You can see there's not much there. There's this tiny little box right here, and I will go ahead and pull this little tiny box out for you guys. The last time we saw one of these, all it contained was manuals, and yeah, it looks like this is pretty much going to be the same thing. There's nothing else inside the box. This is empty compartment. So we just have, pretty much 2 little manuals. And I think that pretty much all the people that are watching my channel probably would never even look at these. They know how to hook up a card and install all that stuff. But the really big news about this product is it's an entry-level card. It's $349, supposed to be able to play Battlefield 5 on ultra settings, including all of the new features and everything, all turned on the DLSS, so we will see that when we do the testing. But for now, here's everything that comes in the box of the RTX 2060 Founders Edition. Not a lot, but hey, at $349, we're going to have to see how it really does against the competition. So stay tuned and check out our next video where we bring you guys all the fun facts about this card. Peace.